Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys I'll be showing you how to go and switch account in the Last Asylum Plague. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the game itself. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and switch account in the Last Asylum Plague. So first of all, what you need to do is go to the top left corner and click on your profile. And there you will get your profile open. Now, here you need to go to settings. In the bottom side of the screen, you can record, account, settings, and rank. Click on the third option, which is the settings option. Now, when you click on settings, here we have account, settings, language, push settings, help, all-star, assault, or network. Click on the account. Now, when you click on switch here account, you, as you can see, have the account status, which of course you can go and use however you want to go and connect it. But if you want to switch it, you can just go and switch it here. So I'll be using the game center here to be of course having it, and then you can of course go and bind your account, and you can bind it, as you can see, to email, Facebook, Google Play, Game Center, etc. You can choose how you want to bind it, and there you can also go and change it in the same way. So that's how you can actually go and do it. So when you're in the account, just go there, click on use center, and there you can of course go and pair it to another. So bind account, as you can see, it's bound to game center. If you want to change, click on the other one, and that's basically that. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So that will be everything, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until next time, as always, bye guys.